Have you ever been walking, and all of a sudden you felt your legs weaken, like they could give out at any moment? Or maybe you just noticed yourself slowing down, holding onto furniture to balance yourself, or feeling unsure when you climbed stairs. If any of this rings a bell, pay close attention, because after the age of 60, even a short period of reduced movement can trigger something serious. Leg atrophy. This is when your muscles begin to shrink, your strength fades, and your risk of falling skyrockets. And here is the really scary part. One fall, just one, can change everything. A hip fracture, months of painful recovery, or losing the ability to move independently. Nobody wants to face that. But here is the good news. Most people never hear. You can still reverse this. Even at 60, 70, or 80, your legs can grow stronger again. Your balance can come back. You can walk with confidence. And today, I am going to show you 3 simple science-backed exercises that have already helped thousands of seniors rebuild strong, steady legs, all without needing a gym or equipment. Before we start, tell me in the comments which country you are watching from and how old you are. We read and replied to every single comment because your journey truly matters to us. Now let's get started. First exercise, seated ankle pumps. This movement is gentle but incredibly effective. Picture sitting comfortably in a chair with both feet flat on the ground. Simply lift your toes upward. Hold briefly, then press them down while you lift your heels. Do this slowly and with control. It might be small, but it activates 2 important muscles for walking: your calves and the tibialis anterior at the front of your shin. A Harvard Medical School study found that small daily ankle movements improve circulation, reduce swelling, and prevent stiffness, especially for people who sit for long periods. To do this exercise, sit up straight on a sturdy chair with your hands on your thigh. Now, lift your toes and then lift your heels, repeating slowly. Start with 1 set of 10 repetitions and work up to 3 sets of 20 per Dalton Y. This exercise improves blood flow, reduces foot swelling, strengthens the muscles that lift your feet, and lowers the risk of tripping. Think of it as recharging your walking power, 1 slow pump at a time. Second exercise, standing calf raises. Stand up and hold onto a sturdy chair or counter for support. Slowly rise onto your toes. Pause at the top, then lower yourself back down with control. This movement reteaches your legs how to support your body. It's normal for your legs to tremble a little. This means your muscles are waking up. A University of Michigan study showed that older adults who practiced calf raises daily for 4 weeks improved their balance and walking speed by 30%. Strong calves act like shock absorbers, making every step smoother and safer. To perform this exercise, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart and hold onto a chair or counter. Lift your heels, then lower them slowly. Start with 2 sets of 10 repetitions. Rest for a minute, and work up to 3 sets of 20 repetitions daily. This strengthens the calves, Achilles tendon, and foot stabilizers, helping improve balance, reduce fall risk, and build walking endurance. Every repetition tells your legs, "I'm not done yet." Third exercise, pillow chair squats. This one is the most challenging, but also the most transformative because it strengthens the muscles responsible for standing, sitting, and climbing stairs. Your quadriceps, glutes, and hips. Place 1 or 2 pillows on a sturdy chair. Sit down gently with your feet shoulder-width apart. Use your hands if needed, then stand up fully and lower yourself back down until you lightly touch the pillow. Repeat this slowly and with control. A study from the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy found that seniors who performed chair squats 3 times a week gained up to 25% more leg strength in just 1 month. To execute this exercise, start with 2 pillows if you are feeling weak and reduce to 1 as you build up. Support yourself with your hands until you don't need them. Stand up straight and then sit down slowly. So start with 1 set of 5 repetitions and work your way up to 3 sets of 10 repetitions without using your hands. These exercises target some of the most important muscles in your lower body: your quads, glutes, hamstrings, hips, and even your core. By strengthening those areas, you will be rebuilding power and improving your posture so that standing, walking, and climbing stairs all feel much easier and much safer. Every squat, every lift, every repetition moves you 1 step closer to independence and farther away from the fear of falling. But here is something important. Do not overexert yourself, and listen closely. Now, because this is very important, you should only do these exercises once a day. You see, the reason is quite simple. Your muscles grow during rest, not during the exercise itself. And if you do them too many times within one single day, then you won't give your muscle time to recover. As a matter of fact, you are doing the opposite. Your muscles may weaken even further. The Mayo Clinic reports that seniors tend to make their best progress with daily moderate exercise with proper time to recover. Now for the final message, the comeback. In the beginning, you may feel discomfort, shaky, or even frustrated, but hang in there. Every day, you will feel tiny improvements.